I recently went on a short trip to Mumbai to meet my family as I shared with you all. But in this video, which was supposed to be a simple visit, turned out into a quite an adventurous one. Also, while I was editing this video, I realized that I have some really big news for all of you and something I'll be sharing with all at the end of this vlog. So make sure that you stay till the end and find out what all adventures and news that I have to share with you. My sad face would be telling you that something is wrong outside. There was a very huge storm and our flight had to stop for almost 15 to 20 minutes. Everything inside the flight was shaking literally, but thankfully I reached safely to Mumbai. But throughout the flight there was so much turbulence that I experienced for the first time, and it was very scary ride. After seeing so many of my videos, everyone in my family who comes to visit Mumbai always inquires about one place, and that is IKEA. I have hyped it so much in my videos that everyone wants to see what exactly IKEA has to offer, and moreover, my in-laws are planning to redo their home in bits and bobs here and there. So this time we spent most of our time in the showroom area of IKEA. We kind of analyzed how things are placed, where the cabinets are. So you get a lot of idea if you spend not like a purchaser but like a interior decorator who kind of visualize all little things in their home, in their space. The dimensions might be different, the layout might be different, but you get a fair bit of idea. So if you are also renovating your house or just doing a small part of your home, then spend some time in these showrooms. Just observe how things are placed, because often at times we do like it in the showroom, and once we get it for our own home, the whole thing does not give the same vibe which we thought it would. I really love this dining table area, especially this chair and the mat. Everything complemented. The black and the wood tones was so nice, and the rug that was paired at the bottom was also going so well with the aesthetics. I absolutely loved these organic looking plates, and they are a must buy. I am definitely buying whenever I'm coming back to Mumbai. I always get excited seeing different types of organizers and baskets. Those are my things, go-to things. Like, they always catch my eyes. This lamp is a classic IKEA lamp and I actually really love it. It's perfect for small spaces. I wish I had bigger bedside table to keep it. Currently it won't fit on my bedside.
Yeah.
We all were quaintly planning our homes in our mind, and Ishi loved this design, this white and dusty pink color, and she was like, oh, this is my ideal bedroom. When I grow up, I want a bedroom like this. We took a little tea break at the food court, and let me tell you, the view from up here is just breathtaking. We ordered cakes, chaats, and some drinks along with coffee. The best part about the IKEA food service is these trolleys, they are so handy.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love.
There was some really good discounts on cushion covers and some very pretty bright colors were added also in the same design which used to be offered in mostly in whites, grey and blacks. After coming and seeing these 4 plants, I was absolutely in love with these greeneries. There were some really pretty florals as well, and always there were 4 greenery which was so realistic. I was amazed at the quality, especially this one. Look at the leaves, it almost looks realistic. Ready to use bouquets and loads of floral arrangement in bouquet style was also available. We took a lot of pictures here, family photos. This whole area was decorated so beautifully. It was like a cherry blossom photo booth here. If bright colors is your vibe, then IKEA has it. Some really vibrant colors they have added this season. We were all so exhausted by end of the tour, but yes, it was a very fulfilling one. We didn't buy so many things from here, but we filled our eyes with so many ideas, from small nooks to balcony area. Lot of ideas were captured. The next day we went to Juhu Beach, and it was, to be honest, a little dirtier than usual, but there is something magical about the sea. The waves have this power to make anyone happy. Whether you are just sitting quietly on the beach watching them crash on the shore, or playing and getting drenched in the waves, the beach always brings so much joy and the child inside you. After the beach trip, we headed out for a lovely dinner to end the day. But now, as promised, the big news that I wanted to share, I have finally got my transfer back to Mumbai. And in my next video, I'll be winding up my time in Gurgaon, getting ready to move back home. And I can't wait to take you all along on this new chapter. I hope you enjoyed this little Mumbai adventure with me, and I will see you all in the next video while I'll pack and wrap up the whole home from Gurgaon. If you have watched till here, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video, and I will see you all next time. I'll leave you with a good music. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
The shadows of this quiet town. I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could afford. Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. Never learn to rise above these crowds, stuck in the dust of the life that you found, with nowhere to go, no higher ground. Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.